Never Stop Learning, week 136. I'm going to take a quick look at linked smart objects, which is a new feature available in Adobe Photoshop CC 14.2. Here I have this document, and if you take a look over in my layers panel, you'll see I have two different types of smart objects. The one on the bottom is the one you're used to seeing. This is the icon for embedded smart objects. So that means that Photoshop has actually made a copy of this image and placed it into this document, and now it's part of the document and will live in there until I delete it. This other one up here on top, it looks like a chain link. That's letting me know that this is actually a linked smart object. So what Photoshop is doing here is just referencing a file that's on my system. So let's see how we could create these guys. I'll come over here to the File menu, scroll down until I find Place Linked. When I click on that, I'm greeted with this window where I could actually browse around and find the document I need. This is the file that I want to link to this document, so I'll hit Place. I get this window here. I'm just going to click OK, and now Photoshop is allowing me to make some transformation adjustments, but I think this is fine how it is, so I'm going to come up to the top and click on this check. Now it's been placed into my document. If you come over here to the layer panel, you see it's right here. So let's see how we can make some changes to this. I'll come over here to the window menu, scroll down until you find Properties. In this Properties panel, you're going to see that it's a linked smart object. It's letting me know the width and height of the object. And in here I can make some changes of its location. When I hover over this, it lets me know the address of where it's located on my system. I have this button down here at the bottom that allows me to embed this smart object, but I want to click on this button here, Edit Contents. When I click on that, it's going to actually open the original document and the program that it was created in. So here I'm in Adobe Illustrator, and I can make a change to this logo. I'll change this to a green ball. I'll close the document and accept the change. Now let's head over to Photoshop. And because I had the document open, Photoshop went ahead and updated my document automatically. I didn't have to make any additional changes. It went ahead and took care of everything for me. So let me close this guy out. I'll save my change. And let's head back over to Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to reopen that logo file I had. And I'm going to make a change, bring this back to a red ball, close my document, and save my change. Let's take a look at what happens to the document if it's actually closed while it's being updated. Alright, so as soon as I open the document, you see I'm greeted with these warning signs. This is letting me know that some changes have been made to the artwork. So if I hover over this warning sign and then right click on it, I get a little flyout menu letting me know that I could update the modified content. I'm going to come over here to my layer panel, and in this section here of the layer, I could right click in there. I get another flyout menu, and here I have the same option of update modified content. If I choose this option, you see it'll update it automatically. But it didn't update this other one. This is still letting me know that there's a change that needs to be made here. So let me Command Z to bring this guy back. Now when I right click on this section here, I'll scroll down in my flyout menu and I'll choose this option, Update All Modified Content. When I click on that, you see now both of the smart objects have been updated. And that's how you use the Link Smart Objects feature available in Adobe Photoshop CC 14.2.